Is now the right time to make a decision on Lucid stock? Today, we're delving deep into Lucid, providing you with an even more comprehensive analysis than before. Don't forget to stay up to date with our latest analysis by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on the notification bell. Missing out on important updates that could impact your investments is something you definitely want to avoid. Want to make better trading decisions? Try out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. With access to deep analysis and free price predictions for over 25,000 companies worldwide, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Lucid as a hold/accumulate with a score of -0.52. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has gone through some natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 1.76%. This means that on average, the stock has been returning 0.88% per day since it was classified as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $4.70, as it could indicate a slower falling rate or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -35.89% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return ranges from -46.79% to -34.73%. The 12-month trend suggests a -37.78% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -47.02% to 17.81%. This means that the stock price could range from $2.45 to $5.44 after a year. Our latest daily update for Lucid brings some interesting news. The Lucid stock price ended at $4.62 on Friday, showing a gain of 1.76%. Let's take a closer look at the details. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 3, 2023, the Lucid stock price experienced a rise from $4.54 to $4.62, marking a 1.76% increase. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $4.55 and a high of $4.85, with a significant difference of 6.59%. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a total gain of 7.94%. It's important to note that the volume of shares traded decreased by 15 million on the last day, with a total of 31 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $144.21 million. This decline in volume on higher prices could be a sign of divergence and potentially indicate changes in the coming days. Moving on to a broader perspective, let's consider the Lucid stock price over the past 52 weeks. The highest price within this period was $17.81, while the lowest price was $3.96. Currently, the price stands at $4.62, which is 74.06% or $13.19 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 92.88% or $60.24 below the all-time high, which was reached on February 18, 2021, when the price climbed to $64.86. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, September 8, 2023, RBC Capital gave LCID a sector perform grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Needham gave LCID a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, May 9, 2023, Bank of America Securities gave LCID a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, February 23, 2023, Loop Capital Markets gave LCID a buy grade with an initialize action. On Thursday, February 23, 2023, Needham gave LCID a buy grade with an initialize action. Lucid stock has received a positive rating from analysts, with a general buy recommendation. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book values to be strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a more neutral rating. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for Lucid and analyzing its stock performance. Currently, there are mixed signals in the stock. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, while the long-term average indicates a sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, the general signal leans towards a sell forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance at $4.93, which is the long-term moving average. On the other hand, if it falls, it may find support at $4.22, the short-term average. Breaking above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, a buy signal was previously issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 27, 2023, resulting in a 14.36% increase so far. This suggests a potential further rise until a new top pivot is identified. It's important to note that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. As a result, it's advisable to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots showed a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands displayed a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 62 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 63 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 69 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages displayed a buy signal 171 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Lucid. Lucid has found support from accumulated volume at $4.53. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock is considered to be high risk due to its volatility. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval. Just to give you an idea, in the last day, the stock moved $0.300 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 6.59% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore the potential trading levels for Lucid. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that a company is either not earning any profit or experiencing losses. Established companies can face temporary setbacks, often due to external factors. However, consistent negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected to be released on November 6, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.310. It's essential to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's analyze potential day trading levels for Lucid. If Lucid experiences an upward trend, we can look at the first resistance level at $5. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an ideal level for swing trading. On the other hand, Lucid faces its first support level at $4.53. If this support level holds, it could present a great opportunity to enter the market, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Lucid from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On September 14, 2023, Bell Michaels sold 46,735 shares of Class A common stock. On September 10, 2023, House Sherry and bought 408,663 shares of Class A common stock. Also on September 10, 2023, House Sherry and sold 26,742 shares of Class A common stock. Furthermore, on September 10, 2023, House Sherry and bought 408,663 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. In addition, on September 10, 2023, Dhingra Goggin bought 113,517 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 91.065. Overall, insiders purchased 361,313,675 shares and sold 6,683,662 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $4.44, which represents a decrease of 3.82%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which also means it carries a higher level of risk. Furthermore, we have detected a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 5 days ago. Is Lucid stock a good buy? While Lucid holds several positive signals, we don't believe it's currently a strong buy candidate. It would be better to consider it as a hold candidate or accumulate it in this position while waiting for further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Lucid is undervalued. When trading begins on Monday, November 6th, we expect Lucid to open at $4.67, with an increase of $0.0533. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be giving you our current view on this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to leave a comment below. What's your target for this stock? Let's dive in and discuss. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.